How to download and update Flextrac CTS to latest version 7.7.00. Download the installation folder from the provided link. Once you download, extract the folder. In the folder CTS 700 CD 77.00, open the subfolder CTS 700 CD. Double-click on IP CTS 7700 file. The installation wizard will open. Click on Next. Select the checkbox, I accept, the terms in the license agreement, and click Next. On the next window, you need to select the option for update. Remember, the first user should be selecting the complete option for the update, and every other user who has installed CTS on the desktop should be selecting the minimal option for updating CTS. If someone in the organization had already updated CTS on the server, then you need to select the minimal option and click Next. Next again, and Install. This means that you will install CTS on the local machine. If you are the first person who is updating CTS on the server, you need to click on Complete to also update the forms and preference rules. Now CTS Wizard will display the window to update CTS, and you just click on Next. On the next window, you need to select and set the location for your forms folder. Usually CTS remembers the correct location for your CTS forms, but you may see the correct location before you start CTS update. When in CTS, click on left top drop-down menu, About CTS, and you can see the location. So, here you select the path, example C, CTS 700. Click OK, click Next, and then click Install. CTS will start the installation of the latest version, also including the update for the CTS preference rules and forms. A pop-up window will show for you to allow the app to do changes on your local machine, or in some cases a pop-up window will ask you to log in as an admin on the local machine to complete the update. Make sure to click on Yes to continue with the update of CTS. Once it's completed, click on Finish. Now go and open CTS from your desktop icon. In the left bottom corner, you will see the version you are running. You will need to log in with a CTS Database Manager user ID to be able to complete the update of the latest version for the first user. Enter the user ID and password. Click OK. Click Continue. You should be able to see the pop-up window asking you to update the preference rules and forms folder, and you will click on Yes to actually complete the update. If you got the pop-up message that you need to update the preference rules and forms, and asking you to close CTS with the options Yes or No, that means you did not select the correct location for the forms location. Please call our support team for assistance at 855-997-9933 extension 110.